At Progressive Systems, Inc., precision isn't just a standard, it's our promise. Our in-house welding department features multiple MIG, TIG, and SMAW stations, engineered to meet the demands of complex, high-performance applications. Certified welding techniques allow us to work with a wide range of materials, sizes, and quantities, whether it's small batch components or weldments up to 60 feet long and weighing 40 tons. Every job meets rigorous safety and quality standards, without exception. Efficiency is in our foundation. Multiple welding stations streamline setup and increase throughput, so your timeline stays tight and your results stay sharp. Our certified welders bring the experience and control to work confidently with aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel. Our shop is built to perform and push the boundaries of speed and accuracy with 2 robotic welding cells, 48 by 80 inches. And the handheld LightWeld XR laser welding that's up to 4 times faster than TIG and capable of fusing even dissimilar metals with extreme precision. Bringing high-end capability wherever it's needed, we're certified to AWS ANSI D1.1, D1.2, D1.6, and ASME standards because quality isn't a goal, it's a requirement. Progressive Systems, Inc. Precision welding, built to perform.